Like, yo, I just come out of the motherfucking old school. I'm a notebook with the pro tools. Briana Marie, the cut crease queen, yeah. You got what you need, yeah. You know what I mean, Briana Marie, the go-to stylist. Treat you like a diamond. Everything is love with Briana Marie.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, girl Briana Marie, and I'm back with another YouTube video. So today is going to be Monday's video, and I wanted to incorporate some of my eyeshadow because it is almost the time to where I release it, y'all. I'm too excited to actually be finally releasing my brand, y'all. So y'all will be getting it in June, definitely. I am trying to push it towards my birthday month, so definitely keep on the lookout. If y'all haven't followed BFIERCE Beauty on Instagram, go do so right now. I will leave in the description right below. And yeah, y'all, let's get into this look. Everything is not, well, y'all gonna see some stuff in here is BFIERCE Beauty products, but just one shadow is BFIERCE Beauty, and of course it's the black. Okay, so I want y'all to get into it. If y'all want to see this look, thank you all. All right, let's jump into this look, y'all. So I had to moisturize my face because my face was really dry. So according to me, moisturizing my face, I am going to go ahead and take some of this Benefit brow gel, and this is just to mold my brows down. I already know what I use all the time when I do my face, well, when I do my brows, and this is just to secure me because I don't like hairs going every which way. So after I put this on, I'm going to let it set. You're going to see me actually do my brows right now because I already did go ahead and let it set and powder them. So right now I'm taking my pencil for my line, just one color all over the brows. My pencils are really good. It's more of a simple like color, like a perfect brown color. I have like maybe like 4 colors, and it looks more like hair than actual pencil. You know, they feel thin, but they're not really heavy. The pencil isn't really heavy is what I'm trying to say. So I'm going to draw a line at the bottom and also the top, basically going with my brows. My brows have really grew out because I have been taking my E.L.F pills. Y'all, I keep telling y'all about these pills. They need to go ahead and sponsor you, girl. Like, what? Go ahead and sponsor me. Y'all, so I'm filling in my brows. Well, basically drawing a line at the top of the bottom. Then I fill them in a little bit, not too much, and I don't have a heavy hand either. Then I do light strokes in the front, kind of like feathering them up to give this hair-like stroke, because that's how your brows are going anyway. Your brows are going to go back towards the back and upwards towards the front. Now I'm taking my P. Louise base and Rumor number 2, and then I did the rest of my brows off camera because you're gonna go ahead. You're gonna see them done. I'm talking too fast. You're gonna see them done. So yeah, I did my brows off camera, and now I'm putting P. Louise base on, and also my base combined with P. Louise. No, it's my base. No, last, not my base. So P. Louise base and Rumor number 2, and also number 4 from P. Louise is what I used in combination. And I'm just basically now spreading it out so I could take my 142 concealer buffer brush and buff this out, y'all. Are y'all simply just thinking like, oh my god, when is she going to release these palettes? Be on the lookout. June 16th. It's my birthday. Geminis, where y'all at? Where y'all at? Coming down in the comment section below, because I love to see my Geminis. We moving Tauruses out the way. Goodbye. It is Gemini season. Okay, period. So as I'm blending this out, look at the base, look at the brows, period. That's how you want your stuff to look every time. Okay, neat. So I'm taking my black eyeshadow out of my palette, y'all. It's really pigmented, y'all. My colors are pigmented, and you just have to just blend. That goes with any shadow. Just blend your eyeshadows out, okay? And also, I already tell y'all, when I use a flat brush, sometimes it will be kind of hard to blend out any shadow. This goes with any shadow. If you pat it on and then you go back in and try to like blend the edge out, sometimes it can be like, okay, I need you to blend. Because what happens is, you see how I'm like molding it into this shape? It like kind of gets stuck, if you get what I'm saying. And then that's why I always go back and I tell y'all, use a blending brush. You don't have to pack it on, but I just like to pack it on because of the intensity of the look. However, it blended out perfectly. I have a brown in my palette, and right here I'm just basically trying to check to see, like, okay, am I going to use that brown? My brown is like a brown color, but like it has olive tints in it, so I didn't go ahead and use it because I wanted something more darker and more warmer at the same time. So I went ahead and took that on a, what is this, a MAC 212 brush, and I blended that in on top. And that is from the Zulu palette. I used that warm shade, y'all. And then to pack the black one, I went ahead and took my 762. Let me see the actual brush, y'all, because I don't want to steer y'all wrong. This is a Delium 2 778. Sorry, I'm talking about some 762. Brush, and I went ahead and packed that black on with that. But like I said, I always go back in and I use a blending brush to kind of blend out the black. So y'all don't have to pack on the shade that way. Y'all can use a blending brush and pack it on, and therefore your eyeshadow will be like kind of smoked out and blended already. So therefore you don't have to go back in with another brush. You will have two brushes that you can blend this out with. So I went ahead and took my Morphe 514 brush, and I am blending the edges of this black out to kind of blend to that brown. Two blends that brown, not kind of. Two blending that brown. So basically 3 brushes in total to use on this smoky black eye. My smoky eyes be really intense, y'all. It doesn't have to be this intense, but y'all know I'm extra. I go out of the way. Just take consideration to like learn the look, and then just add or tone down as you go. That's it. Like, you don't really have to do exactly what I do or intensify the look as how I do it. You just go with your own thing. Just learn the concept of what I'm doing and like how I blend it. But yeah, because sometimes people be like, that's just too much, just too much. But I like it, you know. I don't give a damn how much it is to you. I like it. You can tone it down. Just learn, honey. Okay? Because half of the time, the ones that be seeing don't even know how to do no makeup. So stop talking and learn. Anyways, not to y'all that's watching. But yeah, I'm just basically going back and forth and blending each color together, and just making sure everything is blended. That is key. Like, you want to blend till your hands fall off. And some people, they don't have time to be doing all that. But I'm telling you, when you do have time, I advise you to just blend, please. It's gonna work out, okay? Because it's gonna be like, dang, I can't even see where it stopped, where it end. Them hands gonna be tight, but that look gonna be fat. Okay, so I did go ahead and take another shade out of my palette. It's a light nude shade, and I'm in love with this. I can't wait to see how I see the colors in my palette. And I put it right in the inner tear duct to open up the inner tear duct part. Now I'm taking these lashes. I think these are 112 from Mystic Lashes. These are from the beauty supply, and they are cheap. I wanted a full lash, but I didn't want it too long. I wanted to fit the look perfectly. I love doing smoky eyes. This is the number one thing when it comes to doing looks. I feel like smoky eyes is like my favorite, like my second favorite, because cut crease is my first, and smoky eyes is definitely like my second favorite. Did I say that? Wait. Cut creases is my first, and smoky eyes is my second favorite. Girl, what are you saying? Face is basically the same routine. I do the same thing over and over again. So I could have sped this up, but I just want y'all to see exactly what I'm doing, the concealer method. And I'm not going to talk through this one. I just want to just basically come on here and just be like, oh my god, I'm really about to start lying. Not be like, I be trembling up my words, y'all, and it just be like, girl, what are you saying? Not be like, I just wanted to come on here to tell y'all, like, I am so excited because I am actually about to be a boss. I'm already out. I am a boss, but a boss for real. Like, I got my own like things that I'm selling, and I'm just so excited. I do be thinking in my head like, dang, like what if this don't work out? Like what if this don't sell? Like what if, you know? Cause like it's just so many people out there that's doing the same thing. But I did hit this one reel that like it's oversaturated, but it ain't got nobody like you, okay? So I be trying to make my stuff different. I try to make it different, but I'm just not starting, so I put what I can. I want my line to be fun. I want my line to be fun. I want it to be luxury, and I want people to really enjoy the products that I give to them. So yeah, that's what it is. That's what you gotta do when you be making these false moves. Cause I'll tell you, I'll be having doubt, but I do have like uplifting and positive thoughts in my head too. Like, girl, they gonna like it, you know. So yeah, what I'm doing now is concealing my face, y'all, with the same products. I just don't say it. Everything will be in the description bar below, so that y'all know exactly what I'm doing. And yeah, I'm gonna blend this out. I'm not even gonna show y'all exactly how I blend it out, but I'm gonna go ahead and take my, what is this? I think I use the L'Oreal, no, Maybelline. I always say L'Oreal, and it's actually not that. So yeah, boom, blend it out. I use my Maybelline powder in light 20. I think I'm gonna go down a shade or down 2, because when I noticed that when I was taking these pictures for the wedding and I used this powder, it was like real light, like it was light. But I love how smooth it is. It's really smooth. So if y'all haven't got this powder, go ahead and go to the drugstore and get y'all this powder, because baby, it is smooth. And I'll be trying not to have my camera in the way, but forgive me, y'all, I can't see. After the powder, after me powdering those highlighted areas, I'm gonna go ahead and I want to take my Fenty Beauty foundation powder in the shade 430. And I'm gonna powder all the areas that I didn't set with my loose powder. Now you can set with your loose powder, but I feel like you just need like a matte powder to set your whole face with, not actually a loose setting powder. Now for bronzing, I did go ahead and take 460 from Fenty, the same powder, foundation powder, and I went ahead and bronzed with that. And now I'm taking my Wet n Wild, this is black liner. Let me see, let me get it right for y'all, because y'all need to know. Yeah, it's Wet n Wild, and it is their On the Edge long wearing eye pencil in black. And I am smudging that Zulu, the Zulu palette, the third color in the first row underneath. And I'm just smoking it out with a tiny blending brush. And I also go ahead and add black, but only halfway, to give it a bit of a defined look and more smoky towards the bottom. I love it. I love it. Like, I don't know, this smoky eye looks so good on me. So I did go ahead and also add mascara to my lower lash line. Now I'm adding MAC blush in the shade, I think blunt or burnt pepper. It's not, I don't think it's blunt, it's called burnt pepper. Now I'm just basically wiping off the powder, and it's time for lips, y'all. This is the lip combo, y'all. I love this lip combo. This is the LA Girl, what is this, Ultimate Eye KHOL Intense Stay Outer Liner in the shade Deepest Brown. I used that one first. Then I went ahead and I took KKW Beauty 2.5. Yeah, this is Nude 2.5 liner, lip liner. And that's just basically to give a gradient effect, because this is deep. So you have your deep liner, and then you have to have something like warm to kind of contrast between those two. And I went ahead and also took my Dose of Colors Sand liquid lipstick. If y'all don't have no nude lipstick, please go get that. Like, that is the best nude liquid lipstick ever. Like, y'all cannot go wrong with that, and I just love it because it just goes so good with everything. This is like my best lip combo. This is my favorite lip combo. Y'all have to try it. So after that, I'm going to use my products because I do have a lip liner, and I should have just popped that out instead of the deepest brown. But I do have my lip products, y'all, and I don't have the name at the moment, but this is the lightest one, or the second to lightest one in my collection. It's a like nude. I have one paler than that, y'all, but it goes so good. If you line it right, it goes so good with so many nude lip combos. And then I have my clear gloss, so I pop my clear gloss on top of that brown liner to make it pop. So that's my favorite. That's the best nude lip combo, okay? My favorite. And y'all, this is a look. I'm going to add highlighter on my nose. This is Anastasia Beverly Hills So Hollywood highlighter. And I just added some tip. I'm just trying to check to see if any black liner is on my hand before I start tapping my nose out. And then I'll go ahead and take my Wet n Wild liquid liner and I add the tiniest moles on my face to give the look a pop, y'all. So yeah, that's it, y'all. I hope that y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And I'm gonna see y'all on the outro. Meet me there. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to this tutorial. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Comment down below if y'all are ready for BFIERCE Beauty. BFIERCE Beauty, y'all. And to the end, I will see you on the next tutorial.